What up, babies? Back again with another lit candle review. Now, this one I'm not sure what it falls under as far as category is concerned. However, I do believe it may have been a baby request. And it's something that I've been wanting to burn anywho. So, it's the Raspberry Mimosa by Bath and Body Works. I stand corrected. It's White Barn. And it's in the chic, classic White Barn wraparound, simple. With the mirrored top that we haven't seen in a minute. I like the color of it. It's a really pretty pale pink. Okay, I'm pretty confident that the wax is going to be pink. All right, here we go. Ta-da! It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the wicks, I don't have to trim, and they are medium size. Okay, let's smell. Oh, yeah, I like it. Whew, this smells good. It's definitely not a fall candle. Oh, it smells so good. I kind of want to eat some like taffy candy. Ooh, okay. I don't know what it smells like. Let's see. The notes are sweet raspberries, rose sorbet, sorbet, shay. They're wrong. A splash of champagne with essential oils. Okay. I could kind of detect the sorbet. Yeah, absolutely. I can definitely detect that. Y'all hush. Anyway, let's light and get this puppy started. And I'm actually very excited to burn this. I've been wanting to burn this for a minute. And yeah, stay tuned. What's up, y'all? Okay, back to check in real quick. It's not amazing. I mean, it's okay. What was the hoopla about this doggone candle? I kind of feel like I've smelled this before, but I can't put my finger on it. It's decent enough, but the audacity to be out of stock as long as it was. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Anywho, let me rip it for a little bit longer. What time is it? It's still kind of early in the evening. Well, early since I don't have to go to work tomorrow. It's a holiday. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I wasn't ready for this candle. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I think that's what it was. I shouldn't have lit it. Into you. Yeah, yeah. Anywho, I don't know if I'm gonna do this one all night, I'm probably gonna let it rip for about another 2 hours and then light something else. I think that was fine. Anyway, stay tuned. Hey, okay, so it's been another couple hours and I can't even hold you. I'm ready to retire this one. I think what I desire right now is fall scents, and this is absolutely not that. Yeah, and I kind of figured out what I think this reminds me of. Watermelon Lemonade by Bath and Body Works. It's the same, it's around the same type of scent family. Yeah, it's giving me the same type of vibes. And that's because it's fruity. Yeah, it's fruity with no substance to it. Yeah, I don't understand what the hoopla was about. Well, to be fair, I think I will revisit this one, closer to spring/summer instead of fall/winter. Okay, but the performance is stellar. Medium high flames, very beautiful dark pink looking pool. Even the throw, it's like a 7.5. Yeah, it's a decent candle. I'll revisit it. It's enjoyable. Anywho, having said all that, I will see you babies later. Love you guts and be good.